How's it going everyone, it's your boy Knif here. So this is just a quick video on how to use Instagram TV on landscape mode or horizontal mode. Alright, so first this is the vertical mode, the vertical layout, the original one. Alright, so first what you need to do is open Google Play Store and download app called Rotation Locker. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the rotation locker. After you install it, open this app and click and hold landscape. Alright, so now your phone in landscape mode, and then now open the Instagram TV. Yeah, that's it guys, very simple. Now your Instagram TV in horizontal landscape or widescreen, whatever you call it. Is it cool, right? Really cool guys. What do you guys think? Did you prefer the horizontal version or the vertical version? I think the vertical version it's more comfortable, but what I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, guys. Alright guys, that's it. Don't forget to comment below what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.